You know, when you look at a truck, I think everyone's eyes goes to the stance, the overall aggressive stance, the posture of your truck. You want it to be the best. But if you're shelling out that kind of money, you want to make sure you have something really worthy of that investment. Wait till you see this, a cast wheel with strength and an unbelievable aggressive look. We call it the Rolling Big Power Battalion. Take a look at this. Brand new for 2018, the 75R Battalion wheel from Rolling Big Power. Love this thing.
Yep.
It's got all the customizing features that your wheels come with. The center caps, of course, you can customize so you can color match.
Yes.
If you have your perfect rod like this behind here, you can make sure everything's just right. Mm-hmm. But you know the thing that fascinates me with a wheel like this is a cast wheel.
Yep.
And you built in a lot of technology into this at Rolling Big Power to figure out how to make them sturdy too, right?
Yeah, exactly. So you kind of think a wheel is a wheel is a wheel, right? Not really at all, actually. The one thing we don't compromise is quality here. So in the casting process, we actually use more virgin aluminum than recycled, and more than anybody else on the market, actually. And that's how we're able to offer the lifetime structural warranty on these.
Here's what I love about this. KELLEIGH Ash is not only the VP and General Manager of Rolling Big Power, but she's also a design engineer and an ASE certified master technician. So I kind of download all the information from her. Here's what a lot of people might not know, is that a cast wheel of this size needs to be able to be super strong.
Exactly.
What kind of load can you put to this?
3,200 pounds per wheel.
Whew. That is a strong, strong wheel. If you could break it, I want to see it myself. So you've got 3 sizes.
3 sizes.
11 bolt patterns.
Yep.
Which is amazing.
And we can do custom, basically unlimited custom bolt patterns for you too.
This comes in 3 different finishes, right?
It does, actually. It comes in our full chrome, which is triple chrome plated with our clear coat on top of it, just gives it extra durability.
Right.
Our black and machined, which we call our BG finish, and then full black as well.
That is exciting. Go to the website right now, check it out, rollingbigpower.com. And see, by the way, if you qualify for one of their swag packs. This is the lady who puts those together. Everybody's talking about the swag pack. What's in it?
Swag packs. All of our swag packs, we have 2 different options. Okay. They include stainless steel badges for your truck or your toolbox, some small accessories, lanyards, decals, fun stuff like that. An RBP hat. You also get an RBP Turvis tumbler or Yeti, and then you can send in your registration card with your apparel and your color to have us send you a t-shirt or a hoodie.
Love it. Swag packs. Go see right now if you qualify for yours. Shop, take a look. The Battalion for 2018, amazing. Find it right now, the wheel of your dreams at rollingbigpower.com.